In this video, we're going to show you how to install and use the AIPRM ChatGPT Chrome extension. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any steps. This extension can take your ChatGPT experience to the next level by giving you access to public prompts and other useful tools. Let's get started. First, open a new tab in your browser, type Chrome Web Store in the search bar, and hit enter. Click on the official Chrome Web Store link from the search results. In the Chrome Web Store, find the search box at the top, type AIPRM and press enter. Look for the extension with a black background logo. Click on the AIPRM extension from the search results. Click the Add to Chrome button and confirm by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up. After installation, click on the extensions icon at the top right corner of your browser and select the AIPRM extension from the list. A message will appear asking you to connect or open an AIPRM account. You can skip this step if you want. Check the necessary boxes to enable the extension features. Now that the AIPRM extension is added, you can access a variety of public prompts and tools. For example, you can use it to generate SEO-optimized content or create YouTube scripts. Just type your prompt in the ChatGPT message box and hit enter. That's it. That's how you install and use the AIPRM ChatGPT Chrome extension. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.